Okay, so I came in the closet to see if these wings were dried, and oh my god, they are. Look how gorgeous they are hanging up with the halo. Wow, I'm so excited. What is up, you guys? It's Alex. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome, and thanks so much for joining us. Today, I'm super excited to bring you another costume video. We are making an angel costume from scratch. I know that sounds super challenging, but it's really easy, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Also, there's slightly a twist to this. So instead of having just like a good angel and like the normal white dress, wings, halo, all that stuff, I decided to do good versus bad angel in the same costume. So if you want to see how I'm gonna do that, then keep watching. Okay, so for this costume, we're just gonna need a few things. Firstly, we need angel wings because we're gonna be angels. So I just picked this up in the Halloween section at Walmart. It was like $9, and it comes with the halo and the wings as well. I'm also using some fabric spray paint and regular spray paint. I've never used fabric paint before, but it looks pretty easy on the instructions, so it shouldn't be too hard. Then some fabric. I'll put in the description how much I used for each color, some scissors, and a dress to use as a pattern. I'm also going to be using my sewing machine, which is not pictured here. So yeah. Okay, so first things first, I went ahead and put some wax paper on the floor to protect it from, you know, all the paint that's about to be splattering all over the place. Hopefully not too much. I went ahead and opened the angel wings and spread them out, and then also unwound the halo. And then here's the black spray paint that I'm gonna use. I'm trying to get it focused. There we go. So this is, I got from JoAnns, and it's supposed to be instant and it just dries in 5 minutes. So hopefully that's great. Also, it said it's okay to do this inside, so that's the only reason I'm doing that on the floor instead of outside. So this is the black spray paint or fabric paint. Here's actual like gold spray paint, and I'm gonna do this outside because I don't wanna have like a bunch of paint fumes in my apartment. So yeah, I'm gonna step outside and spray this, but I think I'm gonna try the black one first. So to do this, I'm going to cover this side with a plastic bag or maybe some foil, and then spray the other side, and hopefully it'll be great. Okay, here we go. This is the one half that's all done. I'm just gonna let it go ahead and dry. I also did the halo as well, and I did both sides, which I think it looks really great, and it doesn't smell like super toxic at all. You know, sometimes when you spray paint, it's like really hard to breathe, but this one, it actually kind of smells like an expo marker, so some might think that's good, some might think that's bad. Anyway, it's not toxic smelling at all, which makes me really happy. And once this dries, then I'm gonna go ahead and go outside and spray the other side gold. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes, and the paint is mostly dry. It's just wet in a little bit of places, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. So it's really cold outside, and it's also dark, and you can't see anything even with a little flashlight. So I just opened up all the windows, and my front door is open, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this gold side. Okay, so this is really wet, but like, look how pretty this is. I love it. I'm gonna let this dry and then spray the other side of the halo and then show you guys. Okay, so I went ahead and wiped off the floor from any residue from the paint, and then I went ahead and folded the gold material in half, well, not in half, but folded it enough to get this to fit on it. Look at like this shimmeriness, like what? I love it. Anyways, we're just doing half of a dress, if that makes sense. So we're gonna do like the front and the back in one piece, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna cut it out and show you, and then hopefully you'll get it. top. Also, this is knit material, so you don't have to worry about adding any extra dress, and that just means that it also stretches just like this dress, so we don't have to worry about adding any extra seams or measurements to it. Okay, so for the bottom part, I just went ahead and folded it again, made a big fold, and then with the dress still folded in half, I'm gonna lay it down this way, match up this fold here, leave a little bit extra on the top, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cut along those lines right there. Okay, so here are both the pieces that I cut out, and I just laid them on top of each other to kind of give you an idea of the half dress that we have. So I'm gonna use these two pieces to go ahead and cut out on the black material so that it's a little bit more even. Okay, so here are the pieces all cut out. These are on the wrong sides. So we're gonna go ahead and sew just the top and then right here together and then down the middle. I'll show you the pieces. Also, I realized that I cut the gold one with the fold in the middle. So I'm gonna have to open that up so that I can actually put the dress on. That was a mistake on my part. I should have flipped the dress when I was initially cutting it. So yeah, if you do this, just make sure that the fold is on this side rather than on that side, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and head to my sewing machine and sew this baby up. So I moved the mirror into the kitchen because the lighting was better. But here's the whole thing sewn together. I think it looks great. The only thing that I do want to change is this. I'm going to make this a little bit more round. So I'll just go ahead and cut this a little bit wider so that it'll be a distinct front and back. And then we'll go ahead and start sewing on the extra pieces. Okay, so after so much deciding and trying new things out, I just decided to go with this black lace around this half of the dress. I'm gonna pin it in the middle. That was just for showing, or for holding it on there. Because this is a different material, but it looks really similar. It's almost the exact same color as the gold side. And so when I put it on there, you really can't see the difference. And it's a little bit shorter on the bottom and not so see-through like the lace. So I really do like the lace bit. So I'm just gonna hand sew a little bit all the way around the dress, if that makes sense, and then have it long side, and then we'll be done. You guys, ta-da! I can't believe this. This looks so good. I love it. I'll go ahead and show you the wings from behind in the next clip, but wow, this came out, well, it came out exactly how I was imagining. This lace adds the perfect pizzazz and flair for the dark side, and I love it. Also, I have two different color shoes on, and I'm just living for it. Anyways, this is amazing. The halo came out so great. I love it. It's so nice. I'm just feeling myself in this dress. I am here for it. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. All right. And yeah, just keep watching to see the wings in all of their full glory. so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome, crazy content. I just wanted to say I was looking at my channel and my other videos, and my Cruella de Vil video, you guys have just given me so much love, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much. If you haven't checked out that video or my other videos, I'll leave the link for the playlist down below. It's just a continuation of my Sparktober videos, but I just really appreciate it, you guys, and thank you all so much. Anyways, if you have any questions, comments, or anything, just want to say hey, all my socials are at SparklingAlex. Feel free to hit me up on there. Tag me in any of your DIYs that you guys do. And I think that is all I have for tonight. It's very late and I have classes in the morning, so I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!